Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Passage number 65. Islamabad colon the federal government on Sunday asked the masses to take care of middle-aged and older people, as most patients who could not win the battle against coronavirus were over 50 years of age. Full stop. Special assistant to the Prime Minister on health, Dr. Zafar Mirza, while addressing a news conference, said as many as 72% victims of the virus, who could not survive, were over 50 years old, full stop, of which over 70% were suffering from blood pressure, diabetes and heart diseases, full stop. Also vulnerable to the contagion were those suffering from cancer, lungs or kidney problems, He added a full stop. New para. During the past 24 hours, 121 patients of coronavirus died while 4916 more contracted the highly contagious disease, taking the death toll of COVID-19 patients across the country to 3557 and the overall number of cases to 179,592, full stop. The PM's aide appealed to the masses to ensure that elderly people avoid unnecessary movement, particularly public transport, and visiting crowded places, full stop. He said, if a senior citizen gets sick, he/she should be shifted to an isolated room, full stop. Bed, table, floor and room should be frequently cleaned as sick people are more vulnerable to the virus, full stop. New para. Moreover, senior citizens should wear masks to reduce chances of contracting the disease, full stop. Dr. Mirza also highlighted the need for giving timely medicine to senior citizens, full stop. If a senior citizen gets sick, the attendant should also wear a mask, full stop. Moreover, there is a need to boost senior citizens psychologically, as mental support is also very important, He said, full stop, explaining the 5 basic precautionary measures to avoid the virus, He said people should wear face masks, keep social distancing, wash hands frequently, take extra precautionary measures for senior citizens and isolate them if they fall ill, full stop. New paragraph. Strict action would be taken against the people who were found without face masks at crowded places, declared Special Assistant to the PM on Youth Affairs Usman Dar while visiting different areas of the federal capital, full stop. The PM's aide then distributed masks among citizens and said a grand operation would be launched within 48 hours against the violation of standard operating procedure, full stop. He declared that violators would be sent to jail, full stop. The country cannot afford to have a complete lockdown, so people should take precautionary measures, He said, full stop. The National Command and Operations Center on Sunday stated that during the past 24 hours, more than 4267 violations of health guidelines, instructions were observed across the country, full stop. More than 721 markets slash shops, 5 industrial units were sealed and action was taken against 1408 transporters, it added a full stop. New para. Meanwhile, Minister for Planning Asad Umar visited different hospitals in Islamabad to observe arrangements for the treatment of COVID-19 patients, full stop. We have arranged 2100 intensive care unit beds which will be handed over to the hospitals across the country by the end of current month, full stop. Moreover, beds will be provided as per requirements of different cities, he said, full stop. New para. Amid the rising demand for medicines for treatment of COVID-19 patients, the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan has allowed two importers and 14 local manufacturers to import and manufacture the antiviral medicine, remdesivir, full stop, according to a statement, spokesperson of DRAP has informed that registration letters for remdesivir's import and local manufacturing were issued for emergency use of the drug, full stop. Remdesivir was recently approved by the United States Food and Drug Administration for emergency slash compassionate use, full stop. In a similar approval, DRAP authorized two importers and 14 local manufacturers for meeting the demands of the institutions and hospitals treating critically ill patients, full stop. The use of this drug is limited to the seriously ill patients of COVID-19 for whom physicians decide to opt for the use of this emergency use drug after a thorough evaluation of patient's condition and chances of survival, it states, full stop.